Once again, I think you guys think this is some type of a game. We just reached 6.6 million views on our YouTube channel. Are you guys kidding me? Look at this. Look at the watch time. 6.5 million views. Over 35,000 subscribers. If you are struggling to grow your YouTube platform, you need to get with me today. It is time for you to stop playing games. You need to know the proper procedures when you're trying to grow your platform. It does not come easy, but I have a program, and if you just follow my simple steps, you will increase your views, your subscribers, and your watch time in a very, very short period of time. Once again, 6.6 million views, over 79,000 hours of watch time, and 35,000 subscribers. This is what you need to do. Inbox me. Let's get your platform growing today.